guys, it's Tanieya. I'm back with another DIY lip gloss video. So let's get right into it. Alright, so you're going to need a plate. I'm using the plate here so you guys can see. I have my lip gloss tubes here that you can get off Amazon. I also have some mica, some glitter micas. I'm only going to be using the holographic glitter one from tkbtrading.com. So I'm just going to show you that one. It's just more of like a silver sparkly color if my camera would freaking focus, but it's alright. I'm also using the TKB Trading Oil Fusion. This is going to loosen up the Versagel. This is Versagel. It's a lip gloss base, so you just have to add oil to it to loosen up to the texture you like. That is my little mixing spatula that I like to use. This is my little measuring things I like to use when I'm scooping up mica powders. You can get that off of TKB Trading as well. And then you have your little pump, your syringe, and you are good to go. Alright, so I am basically going to start by grabbing some of that Versagel, the lip gloss base, and placing it on the plate. When you're making this at home, I suggest just using a paper bowl because it's just easier to stir. I'm only using a plate for, so you guys can see everything. So I'm just squeezing out some of that Versagel, and then we are going to get started with making this into a nice smooth consistency for the lip gloss. Right, so now we have our Versagel out, and I'm showing you my little spatula that I like to use. So I'm using that oil fusion, and I use a lot of this. I don't have exact measurements. I need to just start to record how much of each product I'm using because I'm still playing around with this so I can eventually offer my lip gloss on my cosmetics site, Nirvana Beauty. So yeah, but you are gonna have to add a good amount of oil and stir a lot so that you can break up this Versagel because it is so thick. So I added a ton of freaking oil to this. Now you don't have to use TKB Trading's oil. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, peppermint oil, any type of oil that you would like to use. Just do a little research on it, and then you can use the oil of your choice. Alright, so now that we got our base to a consistency that we like, we are now going to go ahead and add that holographic glitter. Again, this is from tkbtrading.com. If my camera will freaking focus so you guys can see the beauty in this glitter. There we go. Alright, so that is the holographic glitter. So I'm just going to be very careful and open this because it will make a mess. So I'm opening it over the plate so it'll just go in the glitter. But glitter is a hot mess and it'll get everywhere. So I'm taking my little scooper and I'm just adding like 1.5 of this, not even a half, just a little extra, and then I am going to give this a nice little stir, and then we will finalize the lip gloss mixture. Okay, so here's a close-up of the gloss. It looks so pretty. This is a holographic glitter with the lip gloss base. So just giving you guys a nice little close-up, and it's gonna look so pretty on your lips too. So definitely stay tuned for that part at the end. But let me show you guys how I'm going to put this in the lip gloss tubes. Alright, so I lost some footage of me just scooping the lip gloss product into the syringe. So you just want to put the lip gloss product in the syringe, cut off the ends of the pipette and stick the pipette on the bottom of the syringe part, and then you're going to go ahead and push the lip gloss product into the tube. I do have this process in my last video on how to make lip gloss. I don't know what happened to my footage of that part, but it's pretty simple, and as you can see here, I got the gloss into the tube. Now I cut the bottom part of my pipette a little too short because I wasn't able to get the bottom corners of my tube there, so make sure you don't cut the pipette too short. And now I'm just putting on the topper of the lip gloss and sealing it closed with the top, and then you are set to go. And I am just going to fill the other two tubes that I have set out as well. Okay guys, so now you see me make these DIY glitter lip glosses. I only had about enough to fill 2.5 one, but this is just to show you guys how to make it. So let's do a little swatch test. So I'm gonna put it on my arm and let's see how pretty this color came out to be. Let's just put a little bit of this on my lips as well and see how this comes out. It's very smooth. I like it. I feel like I did a better job on my base and adding enough oil because this consistency is more smoother than my first one. So let me see if I can give you guys a close-up. So as you can see, my lips have like a nice little shimmer to it and they look super moisturized. It's a cute shimmery gloss. This is something that you can put over like a lipstick or something like that too, to give your lips like a nice little cute shimmer. Yeah, I like it. So that's all I have for today's DIY. I am going to record a video showing you guys how to clean your pipette because there's a bunch of glitter lip gloss residue in there that wasn't in that couldn't get into the lip gloss tube. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to like this video if it helped you and subscribe to the channel. If you guys want me to show you how to make a tinted lip gloss color so you actually see color on your lips, give this video a like and comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.